Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious caramel without any cream. We'll start by gathering just a few basic ingredients: sugar and water. You'll also need a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan and a clean pastry brush. For the best results and to ensure your caramel reaches the ideal texture, a candy thermometer will be a very helpful tool throughout the process. Let's get started. First, combine your sugar and water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place it over medium heat. Stir the mixture gently until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved into the water. Once the syrup starts to boil, it's crucial to stop stirring. This prevents the sugar from recrystallizing, which can ruin your caramel's smooth texture. Just let it simmer. Continue cooking the syrup without stirring. Watch it carefully as it transforms from clear to a beautiful golden, then a rich amber color. For optimal results, aim for a temperature of about 340 degrees Fahrenheit on your candy thermometer. You can gently swirl the pan from time to time to ensure the sugar cooks evenly and develops a consistent, deep caramel hue. Once your caramel reaches the desired color and temperature, immediately remove it from the heat. Carefully pour the hot caramel onto a silicone mat or a sheet of parchment paper. Allow it to cool completely and harden before you attempt to break it into pieces. Store your delicious homemade caramel in an airtight container at room temperature for a delightful treat anytime.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.